Welcome back to Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and today we're going to be checking out this 1962 Chevy Impala Super Sport. This is a really neat car. Bought it locally. Previous owner had owned this for 30 years. In fact, we just stopped out the dealership to see it one last time all cleaned up before it went on the site. But Shady coded this all on our website. Factory red on red, original Super Sport. Fully restored.
He's owned it for 30 years.
Yep.
Is that what you said? Probably already mentioned it. But.
Drivetrain all rebuilt. He said about 3,000 miles ago.
Pretty original. I mean, look here. It almost looks like original paint there. It's not quite as shiny, is it?
I would say it is on the firewall.
Yeah.
That's all original paint. Anyway.
Good looking car. As far as motor-wise, what do we got?
327. Again, all rebuilt. Put a wheel and intake on there. 4-barrel carburetor.
Power steering and brakes.
Yep. Power steering and
Very
brakes.
handy. That's really nice in 1962, you know?
Yeah.
Those are some nice options.
It is. It's still the old generator back in the day.
I love the shroud here, the big old metal shrouds they had. You could really work on these things. Huh?
Yeah. Got the right manifolds.
Pretty much stock in there. I mean, it's not dressed up. I mean, if you want to take this car to the next level, even more, you could go ahead and spend some time under here and really make this nice.
Yeah.
The rest of the car is beautiful.
Yeah. Did a good job with it.
As far as the hood gap front to back, really nice. The back of the hood lines up good. Cowl's nice.
And anytime you can get something where the previous owner had owned it for 30 years, you always know it's good. I mean, that's a long time to keep something around. I mean, a lot of marriages don't last that long, you know?
Mine's almost there. It's 25.
You're getting there.
But yeah, that's a great point. And when somebody has something for 30 years, they've fixed all the little things and upkept it. They were just here, weren't they?
Yep.
They just
Very
came
nice
here
people.
to bring the title to us from the other day when he bought it and said goodbye to it. And that's always sad.
Yeah.
You know, it's hard when you had something for 30 years to let go of, right?
Yep. But they're ready for it to go to a good home and
Might be yours.
Yep.
Original bumper, D. It's got some little scuffs and stuff on it, and it's got just a little bit of oxidation. But, you know, they're only original once. Same thing with the grill, and just a really good, solid, original car.
While we're talking original, make sure you check out the undercarriage. I was really, really impressed when I looked at the car and also when I put it on the lift here, just how solid and original the undercarriage were. You know, even the quarter drop downs in the back, they still have the right grommet. They're still all factory, not rusted out.
Good point, D. Good point. As far as a drum brake car, raised white letters, power drums, unique wheels. These things are old school. You know, it looks like we're going to get a couple little rain here too, so we'll kind of hasten along a little bit. But the bottom of the front fender lines up great to the door. Really nice paint. Looks like the guys buffed it out. Did a really nice job there. Original trim along the bottom. Okay. Original rocker molding trim, so that always kind of takes a beating a little bit. So it's got some little scratches there. Over the wheel well is awesome. Again, very important. Very nice and solid. No bubbles, no blisters, no issues. Behind the rear quarter's good. Trunk lid's nice. Back bumper's original, but still nice and clean.
All this stuff's all original too.
Yeah, this is what I noticed, and I want to explain this a little bit. If you ask, man, the trunk looks rusty. No, it's surface rust, guys. They've had the mat and stuff like that. And right now, we can't get that spackling unless we buy it in a gun, spray gun. And right now, we just don't have the...
Yeah, that's all good solid metal.
Yeah, it's all
anyone
solid.
who knows a classic car knows that, you know,
Exactly.
the difference between surface rust and rust.
Correct. Well,
We'd like to think.
Yeah. We'd like to think. Inside the cord, inside the lip here, the trunk is all nice and solid as well. Go ahead and shut it. This piece of trim looks like that might have been replaced, but as far as the rest of it goes, it's all original. Speakers in the back. It's got some little 6-inch speakers in the back package tray. Damn rain. Where'd that come from, huh? Here's another thing is, and this actually, it just come loose, I think, D. You know that? I think that could definitely be glued or fixed. As far as the jam goes, nice and clean here. Again, those seats, a lot of these were red on red. The last one we sold was Roman red with red interior as well.
Yep, and that console's kind of neat. I've never seen one of those in an Impala. He said he had a hell of a time finding it.
Yeah, they came that way with the automatic or the 3 on the tree. They would have come with that short little console. And that's padded on top, just like the padded dash, which they're not all padded, but the SS's probably were. There's your factory SS grab handle, original steering wheel. Headliner looks like that's been replaced. It's got a few little wrinkles in it, but not bad. Carpet's good. I'll let you roll up the windows and take it for a spin. This probably be the last one of the day. As we look up and down the sides again, really nice local car show quality cruise night car. Not a trailer queen, but a nice driver, and as Dalton said, very nice solid car. As far as the rear quarter goes, over the wheel well is awesome. We do have one tiny little blam right there. I mean, it's like about the size of the ends of a pencil eraser. Other than that, that's it. As we come along here, bottom of the door fits awesome, just like it should. Really nice and flush. Quarter panel is great. Bottom of the door is great. Hey, the windows line up really nice, don't they?
Yeah.
Looks to me like there is a little bit of sand marks. Little baby, when they repainted it, they got just a little bit of a sandblast or something on the windows and 3 little spots on the back. How's your side?
Good.
Just this
nothing,
one here.
Yeah, nothing on this side.
Yeah. The rubbers. Did you ask him when he had it painted, Dalt?
I think
he's had it for 30 years. You remember?
I can't remember. I want to say 10 years ago, but I'd have to ask again.
Seat's okay. Driver's or passenger seat. This one's just a little bit wrinkly on this side. Looks like it when they recovered it. It's original, so probably could have had a little more padding on the side, but it's comfortable.
Yeah.
But again, I want to be transparent with it. It could be a little better as far as more padding. Thank you, D.
Your fan works.
Better. I don't start it now until we.
Yeah, it's smart.
Wipers are a no-go.
No go.
No-go. Probably the switch, but feels good. We'll have to check that out. Gas gauge works. Both of the dome lights work. What else we got? 77,742 miles. I'll be, there again.
Original, I bet.
Yep. Sorry. Powerglide. Indicator works good. Just wasn't watching what I was doing. Here's your air conditioning. Poor man's air on the feet.
Yeah, it works too.
Yeah. Open that up and let that vent come through.
So you got the old fuzzy dice.
You know what? I've never left them in for pictures, but this car just merited it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
Bob goes. Not bad for a little 327, huh?
Nope.
Speedometer works good. Drum brakes, but they are power. And they stop nice and straight, and they got a great pedal. So this is not going to be as fast as the last couple of cars we've been in, but this is a cruiser, right?
Yeah.
4-barrel kicks in nice. Not bad though.
No, it's not. This is.
Go 60 mile an hour, you're just cruising right along. 4-barrel just opens wide up. The steering wheel is perfectly straight. The suspension feels good. The tires feel good. Don't it?
Yeah, it's a good driving
My
car.
window wasn't quite all the way up. It's really quieted down. Roll it up a little more.
Oh yeah.
See that?
Yeah,
Big difference,
yeah,
wasn't
mine
it?
had to go up a little bit
I
too.
had just a little wind noise and you did too, but I think it's
Didn't
going
have it up
now.
all the way.
Yeah, let's try it. Power steering. Idle's really nice. I like this car.
Yeah, it's a good one.
It shifts into second.
Yep.
Right? If we're laying all the way into it.
Yeah.
But here's what I like. I mean, we are going straight down the road. The shocks feel good. The brakes feel good.
Good car.
I like when the 4-barrels open up. It just sounds nice.
Yeah.
Indicators on the turn signals work. Here's your brakes. I'm impressed with it.
Yeah, really nice. Previous owner kept it great for a long time, and now it's your turn. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.